Hi everyone, today's lesson is how to make this beautiful square. So let us start how to make this square. For this pattern we'll need 3 color of cotton yarn. This is a cotton yarn and 2 crochet hook. Let us start. First I am making one slip knot and make 5 foundation chains. 1 2 3 4 5 and join it together with slip stitch. Form a small ring. Now I am making 5 chain. Count as a first half DC and 3 chain. Make 1 half DC stitch in the same ring and make 3 chain. Then make 3 chain. 1 2 3. Now I am making half DC stitch in the same ring. You make total 8 half DC stitch in this ring. Now I am joining it in the beginning chain, beginning third chain 3. Here you join it with slip stitch and cut your extra yarn. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And I have completed my first round. Total I have 8 loops in my circle. So I am joining the next color yarn in the space portion. This is a space of this ring and make 1 slip stitch. Make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch. Make 4 double crochet in this space. Now I am making 1 2 chain and go to the next space and make 4 double crochet stitch, and you repeat the same stitch, same pattern in this round. 4 double crochet, 2 chain, 4 double crochet in the next loop. I have completed my second round. Now I am going to the third round. Attach the third color yarn. I am using light peach color. Make 1 slip stitch. Make total 6 double crochet stitch in the space. Now I am making only 1 chain. Then I am going to the next space. Skip the 4 stitches and make 6 double crochet stitch. Now I am making, this is a corner space of this square, so I am making 3 chain. 1 2 and 3, and then I am going to the next space and make 6 double crochet, and you repeat the same stitch or same pattern in this round. I have completed my third round. Now I am attaching my green color yarn for last round and go to the any corner space. I have 4 space in the corner and make slip stitch and make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch and make 1 double treble crochet in the same space. Then 3 chain and 1 double treble crochet the same space and 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet. Now I am making the 3 chain, skip the next 3 stitches and go to the center of this stitch and make 1 half DC stitch. Now I am making 3 chain, go to the next space and make 1 half DC stitch. Then 3 chain. I am going to the corner of this square, so make 1 double crochet and 1 double treble crochet. Wrap your yarn 2 times over your hook and make double treble crochet. Then 3 chain and make 1 double treble crochet and 1 double crochet. Then 3 chain, go to the next 4 stitch and make 1 half double crochet. Repeat the same stitch in this round. 3 chain, 1 half double crochet in the next space, and now I am going to the corner, so 3 chain, go to the corner, 1 double crochet, 1 double double crochet, 3 chain, 3 chain and 1 double treble, 1 double crochet. You repeat the same pattern in this round. This is a very simple and beautiful square. You make blanket if you want. You make many numbers of these pieces of this square and join together and make bedspread or blanket, or you can make shawl for loved ones. And thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, The Crochet World. Thank you.